Hello traders, Alpha. In this video I would like to review S&P and I would like to review a few other instruments. This is S&P this morning traders at key Fibonacci support. Stuck in endless pullbacks. We've been here for the last 22 hours. For the last 22 hours, every single short fails. This is long-term key Fibonacci support, not the place to short. And if I convert S&P right now to 5-minute chart, what would you see? Market is stunning and flawless puzzle. 22 hours of this. Again and again and again. We would love for the price to crash through and price be at this level. This is a place where market full of baits, worthless bullish trades. Key moment on S&P. It's a beautiful, beautiful news. That finally pain is over. We're highly interested in 3000 next. But if you're paying attention to this key Fibonacci support, if you're seeing how clear stepping stone this is, no matter what chart you trade, and this dance remains for the last 2 days, market is flawless puzzle, because this exact same dance is what played out on S&P long term and what playing out on Euro now. Take a look at this support and what played out. So here we are traders at ultimate trend inception, all identified days and hours in advance. As expected, ultimate bottom, ultimate place to monitor for long. Rules are met, take a trade. And if I convert this chart to 5, exact same formula remains. As expected, all in advance, never after the fact. Exact same thing as on Euro, as on Apple, as on oil. So this long trade is a stunning reminder. If you understand where Fibonacci trend inception is, and you have Fibonacci precision with you, the skies are the limit. Here is 3000. That's a biggest problem. And that's the market this morning, no matter what you trade. No matter if it's S&P, no matter if it's oil, no matter if it's Tesla. And if price right now will collapse completely, it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. All the way down. And if not, buyers fully in charge. Did we know or did we know that this will be next? Of course. And that's the power of the method. We had been at the bottom, at reversal zone, for the last hour. Not the place to short, the place to monitor for reversal. Just like on Tesla, just like on Euro, it's all the same. And that's the power of the method, and that's why hedge fund managers in the course now. The skies are the limit if you play by the rules. 3000 is a problem. Agree? And that's the power of the method. Choice is yours what you will decide to trade. So as expected, this level is a major, major problem. Do you remember this level on Apple? How many months did it take Apple to break through this level? Many. Identical level. Shock or not. Before market skyrockets higher. Apple 6 months is a problem. This is S&P now. in front of you. Identical level. And if you remember Tesla review, it's identical support that's taken Tesla 3 years to break through. And when this support is out, Tesla in sell-off. It's a free fall on Tesla. And when Tesla rallying, there is no surprise. Where Tesla rallying from? It is that simple. All to the tick. Just like on S&P right now. Market is flawless puzzle. You wanna trade Tesla? You wanna trade Apple? You wanna trade S&P? Why not? Choice is yours. You can trade them all. Identical formula applies. This is the problem. So this is when knowledgeable Fibonacci trader adjusts the trail very closely. And if S&P skyrockets to 3002, that's exact same thing that Apple had done. Identical dance. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle, no matter what you trade. Do you remember Apple? Identical. S&P next. Taking the profits off the table, scaling out carefully is a key. Ignoring this area not an option. Stop well outside of break-even, above 3000. That's what knowledgeable trader would do. The alert is on, rules are met, take a trade. And if the scanner will give 10, 15, 20, 30 alerts, knowledgeable trader knows it's a beautiful thing. Take the best trade. This morning is a stunning and flawless example. Knowledge is power. Ultimate trend inception, just like on Apple, just like on Tesla, just like on euro, just like on oil. It's all the same. Risk management is the only difference. Trail adjusts even closer. Pretty please. Key Fibonacci target is reached. And if price skyrockets through to this level, powerful pullback will be in a play. But this is your key, absolutely crucial target, as you saw on Apple. So if you would like to become pro trader, if you'd like to trade stress-free, please review the information on the website. You can start on our homepage. You can scroll all the way to the bottom where you have 4 options for various courses. Group course with or without software, 12 weeks, all classes recorded. You can view classes, 80 plus live recorded classes 24/7. I'm with students 4 days a week, Monday through Thursday. It is never a requirement to attend all classes. More details when you click Learn More. If you are interested in private mentoring 6 months with or without software includes all group classes, 80 plus class recordings, live guided trading. All the details if you click Learn More, with absolutely trading psychology as a part of the course. One of the most important sections of the website, what students accomplish and say during and after course. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Simply click on Contact Us section in the upper left corner and call or email 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com.